going on, guys? Your boy Stevie. You know we back here with another video. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you guys are new, you already know what to do, man. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right now, guys. As you guys can see, I literally just woke up super early, slapped on my clothes, had a quick breakfast. So as you guys just saw, I literally just took my bike out of my car because right now, guys, we are going on a bike ride. At the moment, it's going up to about 7 o'clock, so I need to be at my boy's house for about 8 a.m. okay, I've been calling my boy because this guy said he wanted to roll with us, but man's phoning his phone and he's not waking up. So right now, guys, I'm literally just gonna grab my bag and then I'm gonna try to call my boy one more time. If he does not answer his phone, I might literally just ride up there quickly and see if he was awake by just knocking on his door. Okay, smash this like button, okay, if you guys are ready to see me ride a bike for the first time in yo guys, I haven't ridden a bike in so damn long. You guys don't even understand how long it's been. It's been like years, because obviously, you know, I've been driving, so I had no time to be riding no bike. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys are staying safe and staying fit. Okay, the main thing, staying fit, mentally fit, physically fit, okay, all sort of fit. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys are ready for this video. And also, guys, I'm using my GoPro. Look, I'm using my GoPro. I got the chest mount here and then I got the one on my head, so I'm ready. I got my road racer. Guys. You guys, I don't think you guys are ready. Got my gloves on. Don't think you guys are ready, bro. Oh my god, let's go. Oh yeah, guys, one more thing. You probably won't see me after this because I'm just gonna be riding unless we take like little breaks. I believe we're gonna take like little breaks and that. So if we do, obviously I'll come back, say hello to you guys, and then obviously we just continue the video from there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, this is something different, something I actually haven't done before. I actually been on a bike ride, so but to get this go.
12 seconds later.
Alright, guys, so I literally just pulled up at my boy's house. I spoke to his mom because his mom was awake, and this guy is fast asleep. Okay, so unless he wakes up eventually and like links up with us before we get too far, you know what I'm saying, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead without him, okay, and yeah, let's go. Let's get with this video. Obviously, you guys can see that I literally just woken up. My eyes are just like bare puffy and but yeah, let's go.
A few moments later.
Alright, guys, so this guy finally woke up, but finally managed to get this guy out. Right now, a bike ride session, you know, mad thing. What are you doing to keep fit? You did it. Bike ride right now, you know, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna put this phone away. Can't record it on my phone, so yeah, let's get it.
Right now,
Yeah,
we've been touching Iceland stairs, carrying the bikes up.
it's true, innit?
We're going up Ealing Road here.
Yeah.
Once we touch Sunday High Road, is when we would have been on our straight. From we bust this definitely straight all the way till we take the exit.
It is, isn't it?
And then at the roundabout, obviously, we cross the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, fam.
Man's recording this right now on the GoPro. I believe it's recording. Hopefully it is. I heard the beep noise. Left, innit?
Yeah. Oh, you're recording now?
Yeah, on the GoPro thing. You see that, fam? No, I'm a malt, lad. Woo! This seat is mad uncomfortable though. No, Bob.
1 hour later.
Yeah.
Say nothing. Right now.
And staying though, and then.
Yeah, it's recording still. Yeah. Right now, guys, it's here West London side.
Hyde Park, man.
Hyde Park.
The west side of the London.
That's where we are.
This is you lot's kind of wheel type now, fam.
Yeah.
No suspension needed. Flat path. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Bikers there. There's see a biker there?
Yeah. That might be cool.
Alright, boys, let's put some speed into it. Look at speed now.
I want to get a big shot though.
Is it? Look at speed, yeah. Let's go. Steady speed. Yo, zoom in by that youth here. Ah, let's go. Ah, he's going on. Look, mad. Come on, that girl. Oh. Oh, cycle traffic. Everybody just step on bike. Bicycle, tricycle. Easy. Squirrel, I see you. Run, run, run. On the left side, boys. These roads used to be packed with cars.
No, that I couldn't even get around this bend too tough.
You know, like that.
Man, you see the lorry coming around.
Yeah.
There, bro.
Let's go. His bike's off. Yeah, how you mean? Buckingham Palace. To the front. Take out to the phone. Come on, I think I caught that. I think so. Mad, 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 mad. Ah! Say that. Yeah, but we can just go down. Yeah, recording right now. Right now. What we pulling up to? Westminster Bridge.
Two hours later.
Quickly film myself right now. We're in Croydon. Rid all the way from northwest, guys. Made it to Croydon. I won't even lie to you, yeah? I'm actually finished. I'm actually finished. Man only had one gear on. And I rid all this way, guys. Hard gear as well. And everyone else has got gears in that. Peak. It's peak.
12 seconds later.
Woo! So guys, imagine, yeah, we just reached Croydon. I am dying right now. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I'm finished, guys. Finished. We literally, yeah. Literally, man, them just stopped up at the shop, grabbed a few things, you get me? And that, some snacks in here. So just for the journey back, you get me? So. Yeah. It's recording already, isn't it?
43 minutes, 11.
Which way is it? This way, yeah?
What's that? What's left? Yeah. That's nothing.
Oh, good? Yeah?
Go, guys.
Yeah, I got you. Say, man, say GoPro settings. Let's get it.
Dying, guys. This bike thing is serious. It's not a joke. Quad, hammies, everything, like core, all of that.
You know, like that. Tell them again. Cross training for all my ballers and all my, yeah. You gotta get on your cycle and get in the water, bro. Yeah, bro. 150. Let's get it.